This gable end here, it was a garage door, it still is a garage door, and there was an opening there for bifolds. What's happening now is the pillar there is coming out. That garage door is obviously leaving because it's sat in the kitchen. That opening there, and we're going to have 6.5 metre sliders, I think, something like that, give or take, yeah. So there's a 7 metre box section steel going in there with a 8mm plate welded to the bottom to take the outside skin. I would have no qualms whatsoever of putting a couple of acros under that steel, a couple under that steel, a couple under that steel, prop them off the floor, get some strong boys on the outside skin, some strong boys on the inside skin, drop out the block work, get the steel up on a genie, pop it in, block it back up. Yeah, job's a good one. Here's the problem. The floor has been tiled with ceramic tiles right up to the bloody edge there, so I can't get any, well, I can get props on, and this is what here's the problem then. I'm just a shed builder at the end of the day. I'm going to give it a go, why not? I don't have any qualms at all, but it's just the fact that the ceramic tiles, that's my issue. So I'm going to take all that down, yeah. I'm not the greatest bricklayer in the world by any standards, but it is getting rendered, so I'll soon build that back up. So I need to take all them verge cappings off, drop that outside skin, then we can get the steel in through here, lay the steel down ready to go in, and then inside, what I'm going to do then is, if you see the white cables there, so the steel is 300, the bottom plate's 8mm, so 308, so it's probably halfway on that pad stone there. So I'm going to prop the third course up. I'm going to prop it, and then that will mean I don't have to prop that steel up there because it's propped on that wall, and I just have to prop that steel and the other one over there that you can just see, and then lose them bottom two courses. As regards to the ceramic tiles, the general census of opinion is get some kind of matting down. I've got a mate who's got some gym mats that he's going to lend me, so I'm going to get some matting down. Then I'm going to drop some 100mm PIR insulation, because apparently that's decent. Put some board on top of that, and then scaffold board on top of that, and then prop the steels. Probably going to go for 3 props on that one and 3 props on that one. And I'll of course have my acros here with strong boys on, and then so if I'm going to lose this front set of tiles, and we'll have to cross that bridge if we come to it, but I'm hoping we won't. Little recap on this one then. We got the steel in yesterday. It was just under half a tonne. It's the right ball length to move. It's sat on the builder's trestles at the moment with the genies underneath it. These are the genies. They just winch it up and down. You can see that we've took the outside skin off. You can see where the steels are sat on the pads up there coming through, and you can see where my strong boys are coming through. So now what I'm going to do now is take out everything below them strong boys, and I'll just show you in there if Davey comes through. We've opted for 100mm PIR floor on ceramic tiles. If you have a look there, David, look. I'm kind of hoping that doesn't compress. And what we've done, we've tightened these up, but not over tightened them, just give them a little bit of a nip. And then if they do compress, then I've not really compressed them really tight, and then they compress more and then possibly damage tiles. And I've just tried to tie everything in. I'm only putting 1 prop on this one because we've got the pad up there and the wall is supported, whereas these pads here, I'll show you, my steel there is 300 beam and an 8mm plate, so I'm looking at finishing about there. So that pad will have to come out, and that one over there, and we'll cut them down and bed them back on. So what I'm hoping is today we're definitely going to get the steel in, won't we, yeah? And I want to get the inside built up today, and then Friday we can drop that, but I will have built the outside by then because coming to fit the bloody doors on Monday, and coming to fit the work surface as well. Coming to fit the work surface, but they were supposed to come Thursday, but I've put them off now till Tuesday, I think. So that's it. I'm hoping we're not going to have any compression on them tiles, but we'll see. So far, so good. We've got the two metal lintenals out of there. We've took 2 courses of block work out. Everything's propped. We've got very little movement. Lost a couple of bricks on the end, which were predicted on both ends, but it's all going well at the moment. So we're going to try and get the steel in now. Right, so that's today almost finished now. The guys are coming to put a scaffold out for us so I can work off there and build up that gable end. But here now, so what we're going to do now is cut down some blocks tomorrow and bed them on. I've took the steels out from there. I've just put one that side, although I'll put the pad stone on the steel, bit of slate in that one, and it's gone in tight in that one over there. So we have in fact had these out already, these props and that prop as well, and it was all good. But we've just put them back in, and we'll leave them there till Friday. So this is bricked up and it's gone off sufficiently. Again, there's a 300 piece of steel, 100 wide hollow beam with an 8mm plate, 300mm wide, welded on the bottom of that. What's under the tiles we don't know, obviously, but we heard no noises, so I'm assuming that we're all good, but we will only know when we find out, when we take them down. So tomorrow we're going to get that painted as well, because I thought it would have come painted, but it hasn't. I spoke to the structural engineer about pad stones to bed this on with, and he said just stick it on them blocks that are on the end. Sent him some pictures, said stick it on there, it's fine. The plate will spread the load. That's what his professional opinion was. So that's it. It's gone pretty well, to be fair. No one's been hurt. We're all good, aren't we, Davey? We are. So tomorrow we'll get this inside bricked up. That's Thursday tomorrow, isn't it? I'll start on the outside as well. And by Friday we should be complete. And they're coming to fit the sliders on Monday. And the work surface as well on Tuesday. Tuesday maybe, yeah. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Noel and everybody else who gave us advice as well. Noel says, drop the full gable on the outside so you're not having to prop it, which made sense then because that steel was a bugger to get in. So we did drop the full gable. I bricked that back up and like I said, you can pick fault with it, but I'm quite pleased with that. And we propped all the inside. So that steel's gone in. It was 300i, 300 plate. If Davey wants to come inside now. We propped the block work in here. I'll just let him come in. You can see where the wet patches of mortar are, where I've took the props out. So we propped everything there. As soon as the steel went in, we put the concrete pad stones straight on the steel to support them steels there. So that wasn't going nowhere anyway. We had a tall prop on that. That wall was propped and everything was propped off this ceramic floor tile. And I'm pleased to say there is not one breakage at all. So that's it, we're happy with that. Brilliant job. So like I said, thanks for your advice. So now, Monday, Express Bifolds are coming and they're putting a big set of sliding doors in there. And watch one of them drop something on the tiles and break the tiles. That was probably what will happen. But that's it. That's that job done. I've got loads of good raffles on at the moment. You need to get involved, right? I've got a PlayStation. Nobody's bought any tickets for that. Well, a couple. So that's probably going to go. Really good odds on that. And an Xbox as well. And there's a cash raffle. And don't forget the Ford Ranger. It's outside. It's going to get another clean this weekend. And I've got £7,000 worth of tools that I'm putting in it as well. And hopefully do a video for that. So the link will be in the description if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching anywhere else, the link's always in my bio to buy tickets. They're only £2 and you're guaranteed that it's all legit and above board because that's the way it works, because it's run by an independent third-party company. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Monday we are going to put some bifolds in there and there's another set of bifolds slightly to the left and then a glazed door which is left as well. We're going to have to take out some block work because the guy will come and... what's it called when he comes out and measures up? Any idea, David? The guy who comes out and measures up, can't remember, lost it. Right, he's come out and he said he's trying to get all the thresholds the same size, and because it's already tiled there, he's having a low threshold. But I'll explain that on Monday, so please like and subscribe. Hot chocolate, £2. It's good, but it's not Ford Ranger good. £2 a ticket. I'll never win. Try telling it to this guy. He won a new Transit and loads of tools. Or this guy. He won a VW Crafter and loads of tools. Or this guy, he won another Ranger and loads of tools. £2 or £2, you make the decision. We've also got a free to enter PAS load. It's completely free, you can enter that for nothing. There's a cash raffle which will be drawn at the end of the month. And there's an Xbox and a PlayStation one as well. So it's all good. There's loads there, something for everybody. And don't forget, we're over £200,000 for charity now, which is obviously brilliant as well.